Okay, what is the slope of staircase? As per IS 456, the slope, it should be in between 25 degree to 40 degree. The full form for 1 BHK, that is one bedroom, one hall, one kitchen. The volume of cement bag of 50 kg, that is 0.0347 m cube or 1.23 CFT. Next question. The standard sand now used in India is obtained from Innur, Madras. The expiry date of cement is 3 months. Okay, but after 3 months, if you have to use to, firstly you have to check the compressive strength, and then only you can do it. For that you have to do the lab test. The size of hook and angle. Now the hook size is 10 times of D or 75 mm of the stirrup, and the hook angle is 135 degree. Okay, next question. Why is the foundation provided, and what are the types of foundation? The foundation is provided to distribute the load on the larger area of the superstructure. There are only two types of foundation, that is the shallow foundation and deep foundation. The calculation weight of the steel bar, how it is done? It is done by the very important formula, that is d square divided by 162, and whatever the weight you have been getting, that will be in kg per meter. The minimum grade of concrete used for RCC, that is M20. You cannot use M15 for RCC as per IS 456. The shuttering removal time. Okay, this is also an important question. Wall, then the column and the other sides of the beam. Okay, outer sides of the beam, you have the time of 24 hours to 48 hours, 1 to 2 days. Okay, beam soffit 7 days, slab 3 days. But in terms of slab, if the span is greater than 6 meter, then 21 days, and if the span is what, less than or equal to 6 meter, that is the 14 days. Okay, what are the concrete test? The slum cone test, compressive test, strength, then the water permeability, and then water absorption. These are the some of the tests. Slum cone is done on the fresh concrete. This compressive test is done on the CTM machine. Okay, concrete testing machine. What is the unit weight of the steel? The unit weight of the steel is 78.5 kg per meter. The unit weight of concrete for RCC, that is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. For PCC, plain cement concrete, that is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. Now the compressive strength of brick. For the first class brick, that is 105 kg per centimeter square. Second class 70 kg per centimeter square, and the fire brick, that is 125 kg per centimeter square. Curing method. Okay, there are three ways. Spraying method, nextly the wet covering on the surface, okay, by the gunny bags. Water ponding, it is mainly done for the slab. Okay, now there is one more question, that is bleeding. Now the bleeding in terms of civil engineering, that is the segregation of aggregate and water comes on the surface of the concrete. It means that the weight of aggregate lets it settle down, and the water which is present in the concrete comes on the surface. Okay, that is called as bleeding. Then in cantilever beam, where is the tension zone and compression zone? Normal beam, the compression zone is above neutral axis and tension zone is below neutral axis. But when we talk about cantilever beam, the tension zone is at the top of the neutral axis and the compression zone is below neutral axis. Okay, due to that, when we talk about normal beam, the hook is at the compression zone, but when we talk about cantilever beam, the hook is present at the below neutral axis. Okay, where we need the pile foundation, where SBC means the soil bearing capacity is less than 24 kilonewton per meter cube, there we need to provide a pile foundation. Okay, Now the standard height of each floor to floor height, it should be standardly 3 meters. Okay. And the last question of this video, that is, what is gunneting? The gunneting is the process in which the mixture of cement and sand proportion of, what the proportion is, 1:3, is shooted on the ground surface with the help of gun pressure of 2 to 3 kg per centimeter square. Okay.